Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. You have already finished your final term syllabus, all chapter. So my dear students, that's why we have arranged for you online recorded revision class. My dear, you know we are independent country. We achieved our independence on 16 December 1971 after long 9-month war. My dear, for achieving this independence, we gave so many sacrifices. By leadership of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, we achieved our independence, our identity. I hope you have understood which chapter I am going to discuss with you today.
So my dear students, let's start the class. Before starting the class, get ready with your BGST book, copy and pen, and I hope you will do the class attentively. Now I am going to tell you about our today's learning objectives. After finishing this class, students will be able to say overall discussion of this chapter. Then fill in the blanks and short question answer they can write by themselves. My dear students, at first you will write your CW number in your CW copy. Our today's CW number is CW29. Today's topic, I am going to discuss with you chapter 10, and the chapter name is The Father of Our Nation. And our today's topic is fill in the blanks and short question answer from this chapter. My dear students, before starting our today's topic, I want to discuss about this chapter with you. My dear students, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is the father of our nation. He was born on 17th March 1920 in Tungipara, a village in Gopalganj district. His nickname is Khoka. The name of his father is Sheikh Lutfur Rahman and his mother name is Saira Khatun. He started school at Kimadanga Primary School at the age of 7. After 2 years, he was admitted to the Gopalganj Public School. His secondary education was at Gopalganj Mission High School. In higher education, he achieved his IA and BA at Islamia College in Kolkata, and was then he admitted to Dhaka University Department of Law. From that time, Bangabandhu was involved in protest for the rights of Bengalis. He had to go to jail many times because of his leadership in such movements. In 1966, he declared a 6-point demand for the liberation of the people of East Bengal. In the election of 1970, his party, the Awami League, won by a huge majority. Therefore, the next government of Pakistan should have been formed under the leadership of Bangabandhu. But the rulers of Pakistan started conspiracy. For that conspiracy, Bangabandhu could not form his government. On 7th March 1971, In a huge public meeting at the Racecourse Maidan in Dhaka, Bangabandhu called for independence through his historical speech. In a huge public meeting. On the night of 25th March, the Pakistan army attacked the unarmed Bengalis. Bangabandhu declared independence in the early hours of 26th March. Immediately after this, the Pakistan army arrested Bangabandhu and imprisoned him in Pakistan. But the whole nation followed Bangabandhu's call to war. The War of Liberation went on for 9 months. We achieved victory on 16 December 1971. Bangladesh became independent under the leadership of Bangabandhu. That is why he is our father of the nation. After the war all over, Bangabandhu was released from jail in Pakistan and came back to independent Bangladesh. After the war was over, Bangabandhu was released from jail in Pakistan and came back to independent Bangladesh on 10th January 1972. After his homecoming, he offered great leadership in building up a new Bangladesh. But Bangabandhu, along with his family, were martyred on 15th August 1975 by a group of conspirators. His death was a very sad and irrecoverable loss for our country. We will love our country the way of Bangabandhu did and worked for the good of Bangladesh. I hope you remembered all things of this chapter after listening my discussion. So my dear students, now I am going to discuss with you our today's topic, and our today's first topic is fill in the blanks from this chapter. You know, this is our revision class. We have learned already these fill in the blanks and short question answer, BQA and CBQ also in this chapter. After that, I am going to discuss with you about fill in the blanks and short question answer now. So my dear students, let's see the fill in the blanks. Number 1. Bangabandhu declared a 6-point demand in dash. I hope you remembered the answer. Okay my dear. Now second one. The rulers of Pakistan started dash. What will be the answer my dear? I know you know the answer. Now number 3. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was born on dash. Yes my dear, I know you know the answer. After that, wait, when I will show the answer, then you will match with my answer. Okay? Number 4. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's nickname is dash. I'm very happy to see your response. So my dear, let's see the question number 5. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman started school at dash. Now number 6. On the night of dash, the Pakistan army attacked the unarmed Bengalis. Very sad, isn't it? They attacked that time the unarmed Bengalis, and so many people were killed that night. Bangabandhu called for independence at the dash. I know you know the answer. My dear, wait. Remember this answer, okay? Question number 8. The war of liberation went on for dash. Question number 9. Bangabandhu was dash on 10th January 1972. Now, question number 10. Bangabandhu was martyred dash. Okay, my dear. So, let's see the fill in the blanks answer and match with your answer with my answer. Okay, my dear. If you have given wrong answer or if you have thought wrong answer, make it correct. Okay, my dear. So, number 1. Bangabandhu declared a 6-point demand in 1966. Number 2. The rulers of Pakistan started conspiracy. Number 3. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was born on 17th March 1920. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's nickname is Khoka. Number 5. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman started school at Gimadanga Primary School. Number 6. On the night of 25th March, the Pakistan Army attacked the unarmed Bengalis. Number 7. Bangabandhu called for independence at the Racecourse Maidan in Dhaka. Number 8. The War of Liberation went on for 9 months. Question number 9. Bangabandhu was released on 10th January 1972. Question number 10. Bangabandhu was martyred on 15th August 1975. I hope you remembered all answers and you have enjoyed this fill in the blanks part. Isn't it, my dear? Now, short question answer I am going to discuss with you. So, let's see the question number 1. Where was Bangabandhu born? I know you know the answer. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was born 17th March 1920 in Tungipara, a village in Gopalganj district. Isn't it, my dear? So, let's see the answer. Yes, my dear. My answer is also correct. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was born on 17th March 1920. He was born in Tungipara, a village in Gopalganj district. So, my dear, let's see the question number 2. When and where did Bangabandhu give his famous speech? Okay, my dear, let's see the answer. Yes. On 7th March 1971 at the Racecourse Ground in Dhaka, Bangladesh, Bangabandhu gave his famous speech. Okay, my dear, now let's see the question number 3. In which year did Bangladesh achieve victory? Let's see the answer. After long 9 months war, Bangladesh achieved victory on 16 December 1971 by the surrender of the Pakistani army. Now question number 4. How was Bangabandhu martyred? Let's see the answer. Bangabandhu along with his family were martyred on 15th August 1975 by a group of conspirators. The conspirators brutally killed them. And we lost our leader forever. It was a very irrecoverable loss for the Bengalis. So, my dear, let's see the question number 5. How long did the War of Independence last? Let's see the answer. Let's see the answer, my dear. The War of Independence lasted for 9 months. The war was started on 26th March 1971 and ended on 16th December by the surrender of the Pakistani army. So my dear, I hope you understood and you have remembered the short questions properly. Now feedback time. Now I am going to ask you some questions, whatever I have discussed with you today. If you give me the correct answer, that time I have assured you have learned the lesson properly. So my dear, let's see the questions. Be ready for giving answer. Yes, my dear. Okay. Question number 1. Bangabandhu declared a 6-point demand in dash. Very good, my dear. Your answer is correct. Yes. Bangabandhu declared a 6-point demand in 1966. Question number 2. The rulers of Pakistan started dash. Very good, my dear. Your answer is also correct. The rulers of Pakistan started conspiracy. Question number 3. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was born on dash. Who can tell me? Yes, my dear. Your answer is correct. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was born on 17th March 1920. Question number 4. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's nickname is what? Very good. Your answer is correct. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's nickname is Khoka. Question number 5. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman started school at? Very good. Gimadanga Primary School. Okay, let's match with your answer with my answer. Okay. Now, yes, question number 1. Bangabandhu declared a 6-point demand in 1966. Very good, very good. Number 2. The rulers of Pakistan started conspiracy. Very good, my dear. Question number 3. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was born on 17th March 1920. Very good. Your answer also correct. Okay, number 4. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's nickname is Khoka. Very good, my dear. And question number 5. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman started school at Gimadanga Primary School. Very good, very good. Your all answer is correct. And my dear, please practice spelling. And if you will write in your fill in the blanks wrong spelling, your teacher will cut your marks. Okay, you will not get full marks. So be careful about the spelling and practice more and more at home. Okay, my dear, now I am going to ask you a short question. Now, my dear, I am going to ask you from today's second topic, short question answer, whatever I have discussed with you. From there, I am asking you question now. So, be ready. Question number 1. Where was Bangabandhu born? Very good, my dear. Your answer is correct. So, let's see the answer. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was born on 17th March 1920. He was born in Tungipara, a village in Gopalganj district. Okay, now question number 2. When and where did Bangabandhu give his famous speech? You can tell me, my dear. Very good. Your answer is correct. So let's see the answer. On 7th March 1971, at the racecourse ground in Dhaka, Bangladesh, Bangabandhu gave his famous speech. Very good, my dear. Very good. Your answer is correct. And you will get a star from my side. Now question number 3. How was Bangabandhu attired? You can tell me this incident. How was Bangabandhu attired? Very good, my dear. Your answer is correct. Let's see the answer. Bangabandhu along with his family were martyred on 15th August 1975 by a group of conspirators. The conspirators brutally killed them. So I have understood you have learned this lesson properly. Practice more and more at home, my dear. Now summary time. What we have learned today, my dear? Yes, Bangabandhu is the father of our nation. He was born at Tungipara in Gopalganj district. After the college, he passed the BA examination from Calcutta Islamia College. Afterwards, he got admitted in the Department of Law in Dhaka University. On 7th March 1971, he called for the liberation of Bangladesh, and at the early hours of 26th March 1971, he declared the independence of Bangladesh. In this way, Bangladesh became independent under his leadership. So my dear, I hope you have understood the chapter and the topic properly.
My dear students, I hope you enjoyed the class. Whatever I have discussed with you today, I think you understood properly. If you have any problem or any query, you can ask your teacher. No more today, my dear students. We will meet again with a new topic, with a new class. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.